How to fix Adobe Photoshop CC export as not working or loading. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are trying to export but export as is not working on your Photoshop CC, make sure you follow each of the steps mentioned on this video. On this video, we'll be talking about 3 such methods. So for the very first one, open your Photoshop and on the top you will see a edit button. Tap on it and go to Preferences. Then after, click on General, which will open a new tab. Then again tap on General, under which click on Reset Preferences on Quit button. Then click on OK and again on the OK on the right side. After this, you can close your Photoshop and again open Photoshop. Now if you try to export, it should be working. However, if it does not work, let's move on to the next method. For the method 2, again tap on the edit button on the top and then on Preferences again. Again tap on General and this time click on the option of Plugin from the left sidebar. Then untick on Allow extensions to connect to the internet. After that, tap on the OK button. Close the Photoshop, open it again, and then try to use the export functionality. However, if this is also not working, let's move on to the third step. Tap on Edit button again, then on Preferences, then on General. And this time, tap on Export, which is on the side panel, and then tick on the option Use Legacy Export As. Once that is done, tap on OK and then restart the Photoshop. So these were some of the methods that you can try to fix the issue. Do try these options, and that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.